In today's video, I am going to teach you how to schedule automatic backups of your Google Sheets. To begin, go to Google Drive and create a new folder that will be used only for your spreadsheet backups. This keeps everything organized and makes it easy to find older versions later. Open that folder, then look at the address bar in your browser. In the URL, you will see a long string of letters and numbers after the word folders. Copy that folder ID, because you will paste it into your script in a moment. Next, open the Google Sheet you want to back up. At the top menu, click Extensions, then choose App Script. This opens the Google App Script editor in a new tab where you can automate actions for your spreadsheet. In the editor, paste in a script that creates a copy of the active spreadsheet and saves it into your backup folder. The script uses the active spreadsheet, grabs its file in Drive, and makes a copy in the folder you choose. It also adds a timestamp to the file name, which is helpful because it lets you see exactly when each backup was created. Once the code is pasted in, find the part that asks for the folder ID. Replace the placeholder text with the folder ID you copied from Google Drive. Make sure you paste only the ID itself, not the full URL, and keep it inside the quotation marks so the code runs correctly. Now save your project, then run the function once to start the authorization process. When you click Run, Google will ask for permission, since the script needs access to your spreadsheet and your Drive to create the backup files. Follow the prompts to allow access. If you see a security warning screen, open the Advanced option and continue to the project so you can complete authorization. After authorization is done, set up the schedule. In AppScript, click the Triggers icon, which looks like a clock, then choose Add Trigger. Select the backup function as the one to run. Set the event source to time-driven, and then choose how often you want it to run, such as hourly, daily, or weekly. You can also adjust the failure notification setting, so you are alerted if a backup does not run successfully. Finally, click Save to create the trigger. From this point on, your backups will be created automatically in your Drive folder with clear, time-stamped names, and that covers everything you need to know.